Have you ever noticed how our cities are evolving? Buildings are going up like Lego sets, massive printers are paving roads, and smart roofs can repair themselves. Technology is reshaping construction from the ground up, and this is only the beginning. Meet micro rebar, the breakthrough transforming concrete reinforcement. These ultra-thin steel fibers, less than a millimeter thick, boost concrete AS flexural strength by 33% and its fatigue resistance by 300%. They cut costs, save time, and even reduce cracking. For every 929 square meters of traditional rebar replaced, builders save an entire day of work. The fibers can be mixed into concrete at the plant or added directly on site. Dorce, a Turkish leader in modular construction, is redefining speed and versatility. Its pre-equipped modules, complete with plumbing, wiring, and ventilation, are stacked on site like building blocks. This method is 50% faster than traditional building, making it possible to finish hotels or hospitals in just months. Built to handle earthquakes, harsh weather, and demanding conditions, Dorce modules serve everyone from the military to energy companies. Smart bark brings the look of natural wood without the cost or maintenance. Made from synthetic materials, it mimics real bark so convincingly that even up close it's hard to tell the difference. The panels are large, easy to install, insect-resistant, and come with a 25-year warranty. A win for both builders and designers. At ETH Zurich, researchers have created Smart Slab, a 3D printed concrete ceiling that's twice as light as conventional ones. With integrated voids for utilities and improved acoustics, it saves materials while offering architects bold new design options. Honeycomb panels combine natural stone with an aluminum core, making them 80% lighter yet up to 60 times stronger than solid stone. Tested to withstand hurricane conditions, they're ideal for high-rise facades, easy to install, sustainable, and cost-effective. In foundation work, waffle mat slabs use tension cables instead of rebar, a smarter solution for clay soils that expand and contract. The result? A flexible, bridge-like base that resists movement and cracking even on unstable ground. The Doka Truss modular formwork system keeps pace with high-speed construction. Covering 200 square meters per crane lift, it sets up fast, minimizes deflection, and works seamlessly with Doka's timber beams to reduce shipping weight and costs. Alseco Stone Effect Plaster recreates the look of natural stone without the expense or weight. Simple to apply and highly durable, it delivers everything from rough textures to polished finishes for both interior and exterior projects. The Peri-Up public stair offers safe, temporary access for bridges, events, and large venues. It supports up to 7.5 kN per square meter and connects easily with scaffolding, making it perfect for repairs or emergency evacuations. Finally, a surprising eco-innovation. After sugarcane is processed for sugar and biofuel, its leftover fibers are being turned into sustainable construction materials. It is a creative way to reuse agricultural waste and a glimpse of a greener future for the industry. Researchers from the University of East London have turned sugarcane residue into a versatile new building material. By adding a special mineral binder, they created durable, cost-effective blocks that harden quickly once poured into molds. These eco-friendly blocks reach full strength 5 times faster than concrete, and they were sturdy enough for load-bearing walls. Netform is redefining how builders think about formwork. Unlike traditional wooden molds that must be removed and refinished, Netform stays in place as part of the structure. Its built-in fiberglass mesh makes routing plumbing and electrical lines a breeze, while installation is as simple as nailing it to a frame and threading in rebar. Tested in Switzerland's Empire Lab, Netform has proven its strength and reliability, making it a top choice for builders looking to save time without compromising quality. Meet Big Sack, a heavy-duty waste collection solution for construction sites. Each flexible container holds up to 1.5 tons, offering a more maneuverable alternative to bulky dumpsters. They're ideal for debris like pallets, asbestos panels, or cardboard, but not for food, liquids, or chemicals. The Big Sack Company even handles pickup within 48 hours, making cleanup quick and convenient for tight or equipment-limited job sites. Bison Level Up takes deck construction to a whole new level. No digging, no mixing concrete. Just position the adjustable supports, set your frame, and start building. Each unit supports up to 340 kg, adjusts between 7 and 18 centimeters, and compensates for slopes up to 8%. Durable, frost-resistant, and tool-free, it works on soil, gravel, or even paved surfaces. With like new, restoring old concrete is as simple as spraying paint. Mix the two components, spray it on with a garden sprayer, and in minutes, dull, cracked surfaces look brand new. It dries fast, walkable in 30 minutes, fully cured in 2 hours, and costs under $10 per square meter, making it perfect for high-traffic areas like stadiums or sidewalks. Canada's Sonopan offers an eco-friendly soundproofing solution that anyone can install. Each lightweight panel measures 1.2 by 2.4 meters, weighs only 12 kilos, and easily screws into place. Free from formaldehyde and VOCs, Sonopan meets LEED Green standards and blocks low-frequency noise under 125 Hz. Ideal for quiet homes, studios, and theaters. The Trick Brick system makes construction feel like assembling a puzzle. Made from micro-modular blocks that include recycled wood, the blocks connect with locking pins, allowing builders to complete a 500-meter floor in just 2 days. The blocks can even be reused, offering a faster, greener alternative to traditional methods. X-Fix is transforming timber construction with a clever double dovetail connection system. No metal fasteners or heavy tools, just hammer the pieces together and the joint locks in place. Perfect for CLT panels, beams, and posts, it's 50% cheaper than traditional joinery and can be reused. A single meter of ceiling joints takes just 15 seconds to assemble. Kid Drill, developed by KIAG engineers, introduces a quiet, low-vibration foundation system using pre-made screw piles. These high-strength concrete piles reach depths of up to 40 meters with minimal soil disruption, ideal for urban or soft soil sites. Each pile's hollow core can also accommodate geothermal probes, combining stability with sustainability. For quick and stylish outdoor installations, the Embryo Tile Deck system delivers. Tiles slide easily into rails mounted on a wooden deck frame. 3 tiles can be installed in just 90 seconds. Made from durable porcelain stoneware, they resist stains, frost, and mold, and can even be used on steep slopes up to 35 degrees, perfect for creative designs and rooftop terraces. Sika Sarnafil ATF FSH takes waterproofing to the next level with a self-sealing membrane that reacts to moisture. When water hits, it automatically closes microcracks and punctures, protecting valuable facilities like museums, labs, and data centers. It's cradle-to-cradle certified, extends roof life, and reduces maintenance costs, making leaks a thing of the past. Finally, pink next-gen fiberglass insulation stands out for comfort and performance. Its soft, cotton-like fibers are easy to cut, produce less dust, and don't irritate the skin. Installation is 23% faster, and the insulation won't settle over time. Mold-resistant, formaldehyde-free, and made from recyclable materials, it's suitable for everything from basements to attics. What more could you ask for? It's no wonder that once experts try it, they keep coming back for future projects. The team behind Emadue Panels has also made a major impact on modern construction. Each panel features a core of expanded polystyrene enclosed between 2 galvanized steel meshes connected by precision links. The result is lightweight yet incredibly strong, perfect for load-bearing walls, floors, roofs, and even staircases. They reused in buildings up to 4 stories tall and perform well in seismic zones and extreme climates. Utility installation is effortless too. Workers can simply melt a path through the foam to run pipes or wiring. It's no coincidence these panels are featured in Bolivia's tallest and most advanced structure, the Green Tower. Easy base blocks are trusted as well foundations thanks to their simplicity, durability, and versatility. Setting one up takes just minutes before connecting the pipes. Compatible with diameters up to 1.2 meters, they support concrete, PVC, and more. Each block comes with an impressive 80-year warranty, ensuring long-lasting, tightly sealed wells that help prevent groundwater contamination. You might be surprised, but twist blocks are officially listed as an innovation, and rightfully so. They're helping build affordable, durable homes in Kenya. These mortar-free concrete blocks let builders work up to 10 times faster than with bricks.